Hello students, welcome to this new session. Today I am here to explain the new poem, The Noble Nature. The poet is Ben Jonson. The Noble Nature is a lesson we learn from the nature, that is Mother Nature, what we learn. That's what the entire poem is all about. I'll just give you line by line explanation. Please subscribe our channel so that you can have a detailed and a brief explanation about each and every lesson. I'll try to do the question paper also. Please subscribe our channel. Okay. Now let's get into the session. Noble nature. It is not growing like a tree in bulk. Bulk means in a big size or quantity. Yeah, it is not growing like a tree, like in a huge quantity. Doth means dust. Okay, doth means old form of dust. Doth make man better be. It doesn't make man better to grow like a tree or standing long an oak. Oak is a name of a tree, oak tree. Okay, a large tree with hard wood or standing long an oak 300 years to fall a log at last, dry, bald and sere. So here you see bald means with generally bald head means person without any hair. This is called bald head. Bald tree means tree without any leaves. Okay. Log means the trunk of a dead tree. At last this oak tree which lives for 300 long years, at the end what happens? All the leaves are shed. Okay, it becomes a dry wood and it falls down like a tree. The trunk of a dead tree. Bald means without any leaves or flowers. Sere means without moisture, that is very dry. Okay, so here in the first stanza what we see is, it is not growing like a tree in bulk that make man better be, or standing long an oak 300 years to fall a log at last, dry, bald and sere. So what he says, the poet says is, it is not the number of years a person lives or how huge, how hefty a person lives, that matters. The how much long the oak tree lives also, at last it falls like a bald tree, like a dry log. Okay, so it is not that which matters. A lily of a day. When you look at the life of a lily, how is a lily? A lily is a small white flower. Okay, a lily of a day is fairer far in May. Actually, the May month is the summer month. Okay, there it's very sunny, very hot. In that May month, in the May month, in fairer far in May, although it fall and die that night, the lily lives only for a day maybe. Okay, at night it is gone, it withers and it falls off. Although it fall and die that night, even though it will fall and die, it will be no more by the next day. In the daytime it shines very, very bright. Though it is summer season, it shines very bright. That means a man, though the situations are very bad, he is not going to live longer, or the things are not so fair enough. If he stands bright, works hard, struggles hard and emerges victorious, that is the best thing. Instead of living for a long time, live one day. Even if you live for a short while, live a victorious life. Live a life of an example. Live the life which becomes a role model to others. Live a life which inspires others. That is what the lily does. It stands maybe only for a short while, but when it stands with full glory, with full brightness. Yeah, and then it was the plant and flower of light. This lily is the flower of the light. It was shining very neatly, very beautifully, standing and attracting everyone. It generally we see a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Anything which is beautiful automatically enchants us. We feel happy when we look at something beautiful. This lily also stood very beautiful, Whoever looked at the beauty of the lily, they admired it and they felt happy for a while. The lily gave happiness to each and everyone who looked at it. Maybe you live for a short while, make others happy who are all around you, should be cheerful at your presence. That is what the lily teaches us. Okay, it was the plant and flower of light. In small proportions we just beauty see. Yeah, and in short measures life may be perfect be. So what they say is, it may be short, but the beauty we have seen and we admired it and we felt happy. The same way, instead of thinking life as a great thing, instead of taking it as a burden, if we take life in small measures, enjoy the day, plan the day where we live, and whatever we are doing, do it right, do it in the way which pleases others and pleases us. Never venture into anything wrong. Then that is the light, that is the flower of the light. If you do things which enchants others, which keeps us happy, which doesn't lead us to guilt consciousness, which does not lead us to the wrong path, then that is the flower of light. We lead a life which is a role model to others. So this poem tells us, it is not the time, how long we live, it is the quality, how good we live, how good how happy a life we live, how exemplary a life we live, that matters. That is the noble nature. It gives us the lessons. The poet gives these lessons through the lily. Okay, let's get into the question and answers. How does a tree grow? Is it a good model? Actually, this tree is growing in a bulk. Is it a good model? No, in this poem it is not a good model. That is, it is growing in bulk. We are not supposed to grow in bulk, increase our bank balance, loot someone, and all that doesn't matter, right? We need to lead an exemplary life, an honest life. Okay, so it is not a good model. Okay, a tree grows in bulk. Is it a good example, a good model? No, comma. It is not a good model. Second one, describe the way a 300-year-old oak tree dies. A 300-year oak tree. When does a lily shine? When does a lily shine? Yes, a lily shines. Yeah. Why does the poet call the lily the plant, the flower of light? Why does he call the lily the plant, the flower of light? Because it shines in the light and gives us an example to be shining, always be truthful, always be good. Poet calls the lily the flower of light. What makes life perfect or better? What makes life perfect or better? Small measures. Though the life is short, it should be cheerful, happy, and example to others. Yeah. Okay. I'll just move aside. You can take a screenshot. Hope I could be of some use to make you understand the inner meaning lying inside the poem. Hope you too will lead a life of example. Hope this lesson, this poem gives everyone inspiration to live the life like a lily. Yeah, yes. I hope you have subscribed the channel. Share with as many friends as possible. It will be definitely useful to them. Yeah, please click the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.